Welcome back to UFH Home Highlights, the series where we showcase the different facilities and amenities of your home at UFH. Today we're going to talk about the laundry rooms at 30 and 35 Charles Street West. Both buildings have dedicated laundry rooms that are open 24/7. All washers and dryers in both laundry rooms were replaced and upgraded in 2024 along with a brand new payment system. In each laundry room, there are also specific machines reserved to be pet-free and scent-free for residents with allergies or sensitivities. We ask that residents leave these machines for those who need them. As for the payment system, residents can either use the Coinomatic CP mobile app or purchase a laundry card at the Reload kiosk. On the mobile app, you can pay for your laundry, check machine availability, track laundry progress, and submit service requests. For details on the app or using the kiosks, check out our website. As with all shared community spaces, we ask that you're respectful of your fellow residents. Please leave the machines clean for the next person and remove any debris like pet hair that might get left behind after using. Residents are also entitled to move a load of laundry if it has finished its cycle to free up a machine, so always make sure you're paying attention to when your laundry is done. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.